here. Throw it into there. You got the Spectrum. You're set. Right on.
Sweet. I love it when a plan comes together. And then the Capra with the broken skid plate mount. So one thing
How did that happen?
Right out over here where we were all, I just rolled back and it's all shit. So, but hey, you know what? That's why I like a lot of the people that I meet out at places like this.
Yeah.
If they have a part that they're not using anymore, they're more than happy to be like, here.
Exactly. Our entire off-road RC Crüe was like that.
And
I need a battery, they're like pulling them out of their bags. Here, you know?
Yeah. Well, and that's the one thing. A lot of I also go RC rock crawling with a group of guys out of Modesto called the KFC or Knights Ferry Crawlers.
Oh, I know those guys.
So one of my good buddies, Che, got me into all of this.
How funny!
And
it's funny. It's all a big circle.
Yeah.
Big group
So
of us.
I live in Lake Tahoe, so he comes up and
dude, at Crawl for a Cure, someone yells out, Sean P.
Yeah.
Like that, and I'm looking around, and I'm like, I wonder if that's Sean P. From.
Yeah, it probably was.
You guys were all one group ahead of us.
I didn't get to
obstacle 4. Oh, you didn't go?
I wasn't able to do that particular run, but
yeah,
I know all those guys, and
that's funny. We're friends on YouTube for sure.
Yeah. Oh yeah, dude. That I've been. The funny thing is I've been going to. I live in South Lake Tahoe, and I've been trying my hardest for the longest time to get down here.
Oh my gosh.
To crawl out here with you guys.
Yeah.
And luckily, luckily my neighbor, the guy that lives like 3 houses up from me.
Oh yeah.
He's out here. Travis, beard dude.
Yeah.
With the beard.
Yeah. Travis,
he lives like He lives like 3 houses up from me.
No way.
And so him and I started crawling together.
Right on.
And yeah, I know.
What was that?
That when I originally put this thing when I originally bought this thing, the center of the tire was like here.
Oh really?
So you can see how much I've stretched it out. Now it's a 12.3, and
stability.
Way better stability. Gotta have my dogs on there. And Mando and baby Grogu are in there. Gotta give. Yeah, it's the motor. It's the Hobby Wing Fusion motor. It's the motor and ESC, and then it comes with a
on-off switch.
On-off switch,
and
but
it's also the programming switch.
Yeah, you plug your programming card into here.
Okay.
And it just it's got a little out the back. You just take it out, plug your.
You set it, and it automatically knows if it's 2S or 3S.
Yeah. And right now, all of my cars I run 2S.
Yeah,
because I can't afford the 3S right now.
3S makes it just too fast. It's out of control for me. So.
And I just
set trails.
I just set everything to how because like for me I'm still a semi-beginner.
Yeah.
And so I'm just trying to learn everything.
That's the way to do it, man. Get out of here in the rocks with this.
Yeah. what?
Oh, shock.
Yeah.
Did you?
I got a lot of
I hurt my
rocks.
foot like that one time. I put it back.
This reminds me of Night Fairy a lot.